Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AE86 Pro Max Professional Drone. Experience a new level of excitement with the AE86 Pro Max Professional Drone designed to turn every moment into a breathtaking memory. Feel the thrill as you capture life from a completely fresh perspective, creating visuals that truly connect with emotions and inspire curiosity. This powerful flying companion is crafted for those who dream of exploring beyond limits and sharing stunning views that leave a lasting impression. Smooth aerial movement delivers cinematic clarity that feels alive, allowing every frame to tell a story that words cannot express. Intelligent navigation enhances confidence, helping you focus on creativity instead of control. Whether capturing family gatherings, travel adventures, or personal projects, this advanced device transforms ordinary scenes into unforgettable experiences. The sleek design reflects modern innovation while ensuring effortless handling, making it suitable for both beginners and enthusiasts seeking perfection. Each flight brings a sense of freedom, turning imagination into reality without complexity. Elevate your content creation journey and stand out in a crowded digital world with visuals that naturally attract attention. This remarkable drone offers a chance to relive memories with vivid detail, making every second meaningful and worth sharing again and again. Number 2. K919 MAX GPS Drone. Unlock a new way to see your world with the K919 MAX GPS Drone Professional, created for dreamers who want every memory to feel alive and meaningful. Imagine capturing wide landscapes, joyful gatherings, and travel stories from a stunning angle that instantly draws attention and admiration. Every flight brings a sense of freedom, helping you explore beyond limits while creating visuals that feel rich and unforgettable. Advanced stability allows smooth motion that feels natural to the eye, making each recorded moment look clear and vibrant. Smart navigation support builds trust during every journey, so you can focus on creativity instead of worry. The included display control adds convenience, giving you a more connected and immersive experience while guiding your vision in real time. Modern design blends elegance with comfort, making it easy to handle for both new users and passionate creators. Each use inspires confidence and excitement, turning simple scenes into powerful stories that people love to watch and share. Stand out online with captivating footage that keeps viewers engaged and curious. This remarkable drone helps you relive special moments with depth and clarity, making every captured memory feel truly valuable and worth remembering forever. Number 3. S185 GPS Drone. Discover a fresh way to capture life with the S185 GPS Drone designed for people who want every memory to feel special and deeply engaging. Imagine watching your favorite moments from the sky, where every scene looks more beautiful, more meaningful, and impossible to ignore. This flying companion brings a sense of wonder that turns simple days into unforgettable stories. Stable motion creates a natural viewing experience, allowing each frame to feel smooth and visually pleasing. Smart positioning support builds confidence, helping you enjoy every second without stress. The large touch display offers a direct connection to your view, making every movement feel intuitive and satisfying while guiding your creativity with ease. Modern styling gives a premium feel that matches your passion for quality, while comfortable control makes it suitable for anyone ready to explore new perspectives. Each flight feels exciting, opening doors to creativity that keeps you inspired again and again. Capture memories that truly stand out online and attract attention without effort. This advanced drone helps you create content that people love to watch, turning everyday experiences into powerful visuals that stay in the heart and mind for a long time.